Hey WealthWalk family. Today I'm revealing how to earn $6,000 online using a completely free Google trick. This is one of the easiest ways to make money from home. How? Let's dive right in. This is how to earn $6,000 using a free Google trick. Before we start, I've noticed only a tiny percentage of you watching are actually subscribed to WealthWalk. If you find value in this video, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. It's completely free and you can always change your mind. Plus, you'll be the first to know when I drop new money-making strategies, helping you maximize your earnings. In this video, I'm walking you through setting up a passive income stream by using a simple Google trick with just one click, using totally free software. And guess what? There's no investment needed, no website required, and this has nothing to do with affiliate marketing. But first, drop a comment saying, "I'm from followed by your country." This helps me create content specifically for your region in the future. Plus, stick around for an amazing bonus at the end that could double or even triple your earnings. Let's dive into the method. Step 1. Head over to news.google.com. Now let me share a little insider secret that most people don't know. Google News actually personalizes content based on your browsing patterns. So before you start, open an incognito window or clear your browser history. This way, you'll get the most diverse range of articles possible, which means more money-making opportunities. Step 2. This takes you to Google News, their incredible news aggregator service. Here you'll find breaking news from around the globe. Look at the left sidebar. You'll see categories for your country, world news, local news, plus sections for business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health. Click on the business section to access the latest business news from your country and worldwide. Pro tip, don't just stick to the business section. I've discovered that technology and science articles actually sell for 20% more on freelance platforms because they require more specialized knowledge. But with our method, you can write about any topic. Here's a golden nugget of advice. Scroll down to the bottom of any category page and click View Full Coverage. This opens up a treasure trove of different perspectives on the same story from multiple sources. Why is this important? Because you can combine insights from 3 or 4 different articles about the same topic, run them through our tool, and create super comprehensive content that clients absolutely love. Plus, you'll find unique angles that other writers might miss. Step 3. Here's where it gets interesting. These news articles update every few hours with fresh content. You'll see timestamps like 1 hour ago, 12 hours ago, and so on. Each of these articles is a potential moneymaker. Let's use an example. Tech giants' new innovation sparks market surge. Just click and open the full article. And here's another insider tip. Articles posted within the last hour tend to have the most valuable information because fewer writers have accessed them yet. I recommend checking Google News every 4 hours to catch fresh content. The sweet spot I've found is early morning, around 6 a.m., and late evening, around 10 p.m. in your local time. That's when most major news outlets publish their biggest stories. Step 4. This is where the magic happens. Visit quillbot.com. It's a free online tool that professionally rewrites articles for you. Simply paste your article and click paraphrase. Within seconds, you've got a unique, rewritten article ready to make money. The best part? It's completely free. What most people don't know is that Quillbot has different writing modes: standard, fluent, creative, and formal. Here's my secret sauce. Use the creative mode for technology and entertainment articles, and switch to formal mode for business and finance pieces. This small tweak can make your articles sound much more professional and targeted to your specific audience. You can do this with thousands of articles across different categories, and they're constantly being updated. Each article is a new opportunity to earn. Pro tip. After Quillbot rewrites your article, run it through a free grammar checker like Grammarly's free version. This extra step takes just 2 minutes, but can make your articles look super professional. Also, I recommend saving all your rewritten articles in a Google Drive folder, organized by category. This way, if you get similar orders in the future, you can quickly reference and modify existing content instead of starting from scratch. Step 5. Now I'm sharing 2 different ways to monetize these rewritten articles. The first method is decent, but the second one, it's a game changer that's helped people earn thousands. And the best part about these methods, they're completely complementary. You can use both at the same time to maximize your earnings. I've got students who started with Method 1 to build their portfolio and confidence, then gradually transitioned to Method 2, while keeping method 1 as a stable baseline income. Think about it. Why choose one stream of income when you can have multiple? It's all about working smarter, not harder. But wait, if you're enjoying this content that I've worked hard to create, please smash that like button and subscribe with notifications on. If we hit 3,000 likes, I'll release another video next week, showing you even more amazing ways to make money online from home. And here's a special deal for my WealthWalk family. The first 50 people to comment "ready to earn" below will get access to my private Discord channel, where I share daily tips and tricks for maximizing your earnings with these methods. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this exclusive opportunity. Method 1. Use textbroker.com. They work with massive companies like Yoast, Staples, and eBay. For a 1,000-word article, you can earn $50. Longer articles mean higher earnings. 12,000 words can net you $600. Registration is free, and you can start earning immediately. But here's what most content creators don't know about TextBroker. They have a tier system that can dramatically increase your earnings. When you start, you'll be at a 3-star level, but with consistent quality submissions, you can climb to 4 or even 5 stars. At 5 stars, your earnings can double or triple. Plus, they have a special direct orders feature where clients can specifically request you for their projects. Once you build a reputation, these direct orders can become your bread and butter, often paying 30 to 50% more than regular orders. Here's another insider tip that's working incredibly well right now. Focus on their Teams section. These are specialized writing groups that handle specific types of content. Once you join a team, you'll get access to higher-paying projects and more consistent work. I've seen writers earning up to $2,000 weekly just from team assignments. Method 2. This is where it gets exciting. Leverage freelancing platforms. We're talking about Fiverr.com, freelancer.com, truelancer.com, guru.com, quickengigs.com, peopleperhour.com, upwork.com, and many more. Here's the secret. Don't just stick to one platform. Use multiple platforms to multiply your earnings. Think of it like diversifying your investment portfolio. If one platform is slow, others will pick up the slack. I've discovered that different platforms are busier during different times of the year. For example, Fiverr tends to boom during the holiday season, while Upwork sees more activity during business quarters. By spreading yourself across multiple platforms, you can maintain a steady income flow throughout the year. Let's look at some real results on Fiverr. One writer charges $35 per article and has made 148 sales. That's over $6,000. Another charges $40 with 400 sales, and someone else charges $60 with 357 sales. And remember, this is just on Fiverr. Imagine the potential across multiple platforms. The best part? While others write articles manually, you've got our secret weapon, the Google News and Quillbot combination. This means you can deliver articles almost instantly, putting you miles ahead of the competition. Just imagine, while other writers are spending hours researching and writing from scratch, you can deliver high-quality content in minutes. This quick turnaround time doesn't just make clients happy, it allows you to take on more orders and maximize your earnings. I've got students who consistently deliver 10 to 15 articles daily using this method, while traditional writers struggle to complete 3 or 4. Plus, because you're delivering so quickly, clients often come back with rush orders, which you can charge premium rates for. I'm talking about 50 to 100% more than your regular prices. This method works worldwide and is completely free to start. Want to scale your earnings even higher? Check out my next video where I'll show you how to earn $100 per hour just watching videos. Another super easy way to make money online. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated with all my new money-making strategies. See you in the next one.